So all those calculations you did yesterday are kind of time consuming. There might be an easier way for you to do it using a spreadsheet. So instead of calculating each of these individually, you can do a group calculation. The scale factor we're using, I put here at the top of my table. This table is effectively copied from table 1 in the activity guide. You'll notice the distance from the sun is the same as what you were working with the other day, and the diameter of the objects is the same as well. So we want to figure out what the distance from the sun would be if the scale was 1 meter is equal to 3 million kilometers. So to do that, similar kind of math problem, it's going to essentially be this divided by 3 million. Pause the video if you need to take a moment to work out why that is. Okay, now to do this, we're going to simply type in the equal sign. That cues the spreadsheet into what we're about to do is an equation. And so now it starts to work as if this were a coordinate plane. And this cell right here is identified as B4. So when you click on it, B4 appears. Now I want to divide that number by 3 million, which I just typed in. And then I'm going to press enter. And it gives me a number. The distance from the sun of Mercury with a scale of 3 million is this. Now, in order to drag this down, in order to calculate all of these at once, you'll notice all you have to do is click on the corner and drag it down so you could see the dashed lines. And then you're going to release. I'm just going to do it for one, but you could do it for all.